Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we will going to learn about a topic, an interesting topic for all of you. Like for experienced candidate, for our fresher candidate, for each and every candidates, this video will be helpful. So today topic is salary negotiability. What do you mean by salary negotiability? Salary negotiability means if a person is starting his career or her career from a starting organization or from a organization, after he get experience or she get experience in that particular position, whatever expected salary she or he will get, that is salary expected or salary negotiability. It means the salary negotiability. Let's talk about what is salary negotiability, what is our expectation, each and everything. Now we will learn. First, before discussing about salary negotiability, there are three basic steps to get your salaries as expected. So, what are the steps? First step, these three steps you have to follow before attending the interview. These are the three basic and mandatory steps you have to follow before attending that interview. If you will follow these steps after attending your interviews, then it will be a like loss for you. That's why these steps, these three steps particularly, you have to follow before attending that interview. So first step is research about the organization. First step is research about the organization. Why I am saying research about the organization? Have you ever heard about that question? Tell me about this organization. Or do you have any idea about this organization? Can you explain me about this organization? If you have idea about that particular organization, you will be able to explain those questions and you will be able to give them the question answer. The question is, do you what do you know about this organization? This is the first basic step you have to follow before attending an interview. It means first basic step is research about the organization. Just take an example of Concentrix. Concentrix is a MNC company. Tomorrow you have interview for that Concentrix. First step you have to follow that research about the organization. Research about the organization means when in Google or in your web browser you are researching, you are searching, you are typing that name Concentrix. That time you will get their website, you will get to know about what is Concentrix, when Concentrix get launched here, and who is the CEO, who are the manager, what are the positions Concentrix is offering. These things you will be able to know in that first step, that is research about the organization. In that second step is research about your job role. Your job role means your particular job role, for which job role you are applying. Why I am saying in a particular job role you have to search only for a particular job role? Listen, the main thing is if a company is hiring, just think I am hiring for my company as I want mainframes developer for my company. Okay, I want mainframes developer for my company. Still in my company there are different vacancies for Java developer, data analyst, then after that front office, back office, receptionist, HRs. These types of openings I have. It means if a company is hiring, it does not means that that company is hiring only for one position. Maybe in that company there are 5 more openings, 10 more openings. That's why you have to do research about the particular position for which you are applying. Particular position means just think you are applying for Java developer, you will research about Java developer in that Concentrix. Like Concentrix is the MNC company. First thing, he in that website you will get that Java developer. This is the description for Java developer. These are the roles and responsibilities for Java developer. This is the second step. Third step, what is third step? Third step is your current CTC. It means your current salary. Your current salary is maybe 3 LPA. You have to keep that in your mind that your current salary is this. Third step is current salary and compare that with the market rate. Compare that with the market rate means just think you get I am hiring for Java developer and you are interested for that Java developer. In Concentrix, we are providing the salary is 4.2. As an experienced candidate, we are providing the salary of 4.2 as it is based on the market rate. Market rate means if you will compare the same position with different organizations, there will be some salary differences. Like Concentrix is providing 4.2. Another organization may be providing more than that or less than that. It means when you will do that, when you will compare this with the market rate, you will get to know about that idea, that how and what is the current market rate is. It means the current market rate, if current market rate is starting from 4.2 to 8.9, it means the current market rate is between this range only. Whenever you are asking your salaries, or you can expect within this much, because this is the current market rate means the starting lowest package is 4.2 and the highest package is 8.9. This is the current market rate. You can expect between these two amounts only, 4.2 to 8.9. This will be your expected. Between these two things, you can expect your salary. So that's all for today. Thank you.